Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have Capgemini, that is Pooled Campus Drive 2021 is hiring for engineering as well as MCA freshers. So this drive is conducted basically for 2021 batch and the last date to apply is April 14. So he should be graduating in 2021, he or she, and should have an aggregate of 60% and above in 10th, 12th as well as in diploma, graduation as well as aggregate of 7 semesters. And for MCA it is aggregate of 5 semesters and the qualification is for MCA BE BTech and it is open for only circuit branches, that is for information technology, computer science, then electrical, electronics and communication, and telecommunication and electronics and instrumentation. So you can quickly go and apply for this, and this is only for 2021 batch. So the application link will be provided in the description. You can go and apply for this, and the last date for this is April 14. So we shall quickly see what is the selection process. So the selection process is conducted by a virtual mode and there will be 6 rounds. So the first round will be technical so the first round it will be written test. So the first round, basically there are 3 rounds. The first one is the online written test. So first will be online written test, and next thing is, second thing is that there will be technical round followed by HR round. So there will be online written test. So this is all the within the written test. These many rounds will be conducted. Then each rounds are elimination rounds. So if you reach the cutoff of that, then you will be eligible for the next round. So first will be the online written test. So the next one will be the technical interview and the third one will be the HR round. So within the written test, the first will be technical assessment, that is there will be pseudocode and you need to find the output for the code. And next will be the English communication test. So there will be multiple choice questions of English based and you need to choose the correct answer for that. And next will be the aptitude test, that is the game based, you need to play the games. And the last will be the behavioral competency test. So behavioral competency test, and there will be same MCQ questions and you need to answer it. So once you clear, each round is elimination round. So if you reach the cutoff in technical assessment, you will be moved for English communication test. Then it is followed by game based test and then behavioral competency test. So then second will be technical interview and HR interview. So we shall quickly see what is the test pattern in detail. So test pattern in detail, the first will be pseudocode. So there will be 30 questions. So 30 MCQ questions, you need to answer it in 30 minutes. And next will be the English communication test. So again in English communication test, there will be English MCQ questions, which there are 30 questions and you need to answer it in 30 minutes. And the next one will be the game based aptitude test, and there will be 4 games. You need to play the games and then there will be 24 minutes to play the game. So within that you need to complete it. And after that the fourth one will be the behavioral competency test. So there will be 100 questions. Like there will be 100 questions, there will be questions and you need to, there will be MCQs like agree, disagree. So you need to choose among that and there will be 20 minutes and you need to answer 100 questions. So this is the complete test pattern in detail. So that is pseudocode 30 questions 30 minutes, then English 30 questions 30 minutes, then 4 games, it is 24 minutes, and last one will be the behavioral competency test, that is 100 questions, you need to answer it in 20 minutes. So this is all about the test pattern and the selection process of Capgemini. So you can quickly go and apply for this if you meet the following criteria. So thank you friends for watching and do subscribe our channel for more updates.